Hello and welcome to this course on triangular arbitrage for crypto with Python, fast track. This course has been built with two types of people in mind. Number one, the indie programmer just like me, who just wants to learn enough Python to get their projects off the ground and to build on top of their knowledge that they learn in this course. But you may already know some Python or at least some programming concepts. But the idea of calculating triangular arbitrage or arbitrage in general is really confusing to you. You don't know where to start, there's very little documentation online, and you just need a helping hand to understand, how do I find arbitrage opportunities in crypto? How do I then identify the depth of those opportunities to make sure that they are viable? You will learn all of that in this course. And you will learn it for both centralized finance using Poloniex as the centralized finance exchange, and you will learn it for decentralized finance using Uniswap v3 on the Ethereum blockchain. And because of that, you're also going to learn some Ethers.js and Web3, with about 10% of the course being in JavaScript if you wish to take that section. Now, this course is not for you if you're looking for an A to Z of Python. You want to learn everything about Python possible. This is for you if you're like me, you're an indie programmer and you want to just build cool stuff, learn programming along the way and explore this and have fun with it. We will start by going through intuition first. I will take you right into the depths of what is arbitrage, what is triangular arbitrage, and I'll even show you an example with foreign exchange, fruit, and finally, crypto triangular arbitrage. We'll then move into learning some basic programming concepts and pretty much all you'll need to know in Python to really get going in building not just this application, but many applications. You'll then move into looking at some JavaScript and looking at how does the syntax of JavaScript look similar and dissimilar to Python. With your newfound knowledge on programming, we dive into starting with centralized finance on Poloniex. You will learn how to identify all the possible trading pairs on an exchange for triangular arbitrage. And then once you've got that knowledge down, you will calculate the surface rate arbitrage opportunities and use those as indicators on how to get into the depth. Once you have your head around all that, we're going to move into the world of DeFi, and you're even going to use some JavaScript to get direct quotes from the blockchain on Uniswap v3. Now, the great thing about this course is there are loads of exchanges and markets out there, both in centralized finance and decentralized finance. You are going to learn the principles in this course, not just the rules, so that you can take those principles and apply them to any exchange you like, both in CeFi and in DeFi. Now, I've learned how to do this through 5 years of programming with Python, particularly around arbitrage. And I've learned this because I am the developer for CryptoWizards.net, which hosts a bunch of applications, of which arbitrage opportunity calculation is one of those. So for CryptoWizards.net members, you have free access to this course. Just go over to the courses page on the CryptoWizards.net members area and click on the link. You should be directed over to Udemy and you will get the course for absolutely free. I've absolutely loved this journey with you over the last 5 years. I know that there's been so many requests for a course on this channel, and I'm delighted and elated to be finally able to offer this course to you. I'll see you on the other side.